Hello YouTube family, my name is Aditya and you are watching the Devops guy. In the last video, we have discussed about the symbolic form of the file permission. In today's session, we will cover the octal form. For those who has not watched the previous video, I recommend them to first watch the part 1 of this series. Otherwise, it would be a little challenging for you to understand. Still, let me give you a quick recap of the permission. In Linux, there are three kinds of user. First is owner, second is group, third is other. Each category of user has a unique column for the permissions. The permissions are RWX, where R is equal to read, W is equal to write, X is equal to execute. In the octal format, we use numeric value to assign this. So if I do the sum of 4 plus 2 plus 1, the final permission is 7. So the owner is having a permission of 7. Same logic is applicable to group and others. So in this scenario, group has the permission of read plus write. So read is equal to 4, write is equal to 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Group has the permission of 6. For others, read plus execute. So read is equal to 4 and execute is equal to 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Others has the permission of 5. So this is the final permission of owner, group and other 7, 6, 5. Let's try to understand this with a table. So if I want to assign a permission of write plus execute, so write means 2. Here if you see, W means 2 and execute means 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the final permission would be 3 only. I will give the permission to user 3. Let's take another example. If I want to assign a permission of read plus write to other, so read plus write means R plus W. R plus W is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So I will give the permission of 6 to the others only. Okay, let's jump to the lab. Syntax of permission command is chmod permission and the file name. So I have already created one file named as file1, which has the permission of read to all three users, user, group and other. I have few scenarios. Let's do this. So first scenario is add an execute bit for the owner. So they are asking me to add execute bit here, execute bit to the owner. Owner is who? Owner is user. So first column in there, they are asking to give an execute permission to the user. Right now permission is only read 4, but they want the execute bit to be there also. So for execute bit the number is 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so my command would be chmod 5 and the previous for the group and other the number is 4. The write means R means write means 4. So they remain same. And the file name -v. See, file changed from 444 to 544 here. This is the execute bit to the user. First scenario complete. Let's jump to the second. Add a write bit for group member and other. Okay, so they want me to give a write bit. Write means W means 2. Whom to assign? Group and other means public. See this thing here, this group and other, they want me to give the write permission. Right now what permissions we have on group and other? Group, this is group and this is other. So group and other has the permission of 4 and they want me to give the permission of write W means W means 2. See this thing? W means 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 6 for group and 6 for other. So the command would be chmod 566 file name and -v. See the output. Now the group and other has the permission of write. Earlier there was no permission here. See, blank, they were blank. Let's jump to the third scenario. So the third scenario is remove the write permission from public for public. So they are asking to remove now. Earlier we were doing the addition in order to add, but right now they are asking to remove. So for remove we do the subtraction. So write permission from public. Public is other. So right now the public other has the permission of 6 and they want to remove the write bit W. So W is equal to 2 and they want to remove this. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So the command would be chmod 564 the file name -v. See the output here. Earlier the others has the permission of write W. Right now that permission is removed. Let's move to the last scenario. Here, assign read, write and execute permission bits to all three user category. So they are asking to provide read, write, execute permission to all three of the user, owner, group and other has the permission of read, write, execute. So read, write, execute is 4 plus 2 plus 1 7. So 7 to all. The permission is 777 here. Let's do this. So chmod 777 the file name and -v. Output is rwx read, write, execute to all three kind of users. So that's all about the octal form of the permission. I hope it is clear to you now. In the next video, I will cover the default permission and set UID. Meanwhile, watch the previous video and do practice. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.